Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Facebook Lite cannot deliver user unavailable problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, search or find out Facebook Lite app, click on Lite, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now go to Play Store, search Facebook Lite, update Facebook Lite app if available on Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.